We have studied the description of periods and the description of group. Now we are going to study some common name of the elements which we have arranged in the respective groups. What are their common names and why they are called so? So if I talk about this group number 1, you can see here they are called as alkali metals. What we call them? We call them as alkali metal. And why we call them as alkali metal? The reason is due to formation of strong basic oxide and hydroxide with a strong alkaline character. I think you all are aware that about the base sodium hydroxide. Am I correct? What is sodium hydroxide? Basically it is NaOH, right? It is NaOH. NaOH, sodium hydroxide, is a base. And what is sodium? Sodium is group 1 elements. So group 1 elements have tendency to form oxide and hydroxide, and which is basic in nature. For example, if I talk about sodium oxide, when you add water in sodium oxide, student, it will form sodium hydroxide. So they are known as alkali metals. Now if I talk about what? If I talk about group 2 elements, they are called alkaline earth metals. What we call them? We call them alkaline earth metal. Why we call them alkaline? The oxide of these elements are alkaline in nature. If I talk the oxides, the elements of group 2, when they are forming oxide, they are basic in nature and they are mostly found in the earth crust. That is why their name is alkaline earth metal. It is very simple. Group 13, what is the first element of group 13? That is boron. That is why it is known as boron family. It is a simple. Group 14, which is the first element in group 14? It's carbon. So that is why it is known as carbon family. Group 15 is known as pnictogen. This is very interesting. What is it is known as? It is pnictogen. Pnictogen is basically a Greek word meaning suffocation. What does it mean? It means suffocation. As the hydride of group 15, ammonia, phosphine, ASH3, they have a pungent odor, and when inhaled they causes suffocation. If you inhale the hydride of group 15, they are causing what? Suffocation. That is why the elements named as pnictogens. Okay, coming to the next one, which is group number 16. What we call them? We call them chalcogen. Chalcogen in a Greek means ore forming. I think you have already studied this ore part in your class 10th. Am I correct? What is ore? These are the elements, basically the minerals from which we can extract the metal, right? जिन मिनरल से हम मेटल को एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं उन्हीं को हम ओर बोलते हैं. एंड अगर मैं ग्रुप 16 की बात करूं तो ग्रुप 16 में एलिमेंट्स कौन से आते हैं आपके? ऑक्सीजन, सल्फर, एंड मेजॉरिटी ऑफ आवर मिनरल्स एंड ओर्स दे आर फ्रॉम द ऑक्साइड एंड सल्फाइड, करेक्ट? सो दैट इज व्हाई दे हैव टेंडेंसी टू फॉर्म ओर. हम क्या बोलते हैं उन्हें? वी कॉल देम एज chalcogens. Coming to the next one, which is group 17, known as halogens. In Greek, the halogen means salt producing. A salt consists of two parts, one is cation and other is anion. For example, NaCl. If you talk about NaCl, it is which salt? You all know it is table of salt, which is sodium chloride, correct? So we can see that Cl minus. You have heard about KCl, which is potassium chloride. Okay, coming to the next one, which is group 17, they are known as what? They are known as halogens. In Greek, the halogen means salt producing. A salt has how many parts? They have two parts. One is anion, other is a cation. For example, NaCl, it has two parts. One is Na plus and other is a Cl minus. So the elements in this group form the anion of salt easily. जो भी एलिमेंट ग्रुप 17 में प्रेजेंट है, दे इजिली फॉर्म द अनायन ऑफ द सॉल्ट. मतलब कहने का ये है कि ग्रुप 17 के एलिमेंट किसी भी सॉल्ट के अनायन को इजिली, दे आर द रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर अनायनिक पार्ट. दैट इज व्हाई वी कॉल देम एज halogen. Coming to the next group, which is group 18, we also call it a zero group. They are known as rare gases, inert gases, noble gases. Why? Because of their presence in a small quantity, they are known as rare gases. जो इनर्ट गैसेज है, नोबल गैसेज है, वो बहुत कम क्वांटिटी में प्रेजेंट है, इसीलिए हम उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? रेयर गैस. ड्यू टू देयर स्टेबल कॉन्फिगरेशन दे आर नोन एज नोबल गैस. उनकी स्टेबल कॉन्फिगरेशन की वजह से हम उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? दे आर नोबल गैसेज. एज दे हैव लिटिल टेंडेंसी टू रिएक्ट. उनकी रिएक्ट करने की भी टेंडेंसी क्या होती है? बहुत ही कम. इसीलिए हम उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? इनर्ट गैस कहते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट, ग्रुप 8, 9, 10 in the D block, they are called iron traits, ferrous metal or platinum. So the 8th group, which has three trade. The first trade is iron, cobalt, nickel, which we call them ferrous metal. Iron, cobalt और nickel को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Ferrous metal. Second and third trade, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, and osmium, iridium, platinum, they are called platinum metals. Okay. Group number 11, they are called the coinage metal. These elements have copper, silver, and gold. Earlier, these metal were used for making the currency in olden days. That is why they are known as a coinage metal. क्योंकि पुराने समय में हम इन एलिमेंट्स को यूज करते थे एज अ करेंसी, इसीलिए हम इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? coinage metal. So this is all about the common names of the element. Included that group 1 element are alkali metals, group 2 are alkaline earth metals, group 13 is boron family, 14 is carbon family, 15 is nitrogen, group 16 is chalcogen, group 17 is halogen, group 18 is noble gas, rare gas we call them, or inert gas. Group 8, 9, 10 we have three trade. First is iron, cobalt, nickel, which is known as ferrous metal, and the other two trades are known as what we call them as, basically we call them as platinum metals. Group 11 is coinage metal because they were used for as a currency in the olden days, correct? Thank you.